In this video, I'm going to show you how you can translate your videos from one language to another. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking my video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so I have here a video clip and you can listen in.
Full room full of buttons, screens, and blinking lights.
And as you can see, this is an English video clip. I'd like to go ahead and change this to a different language. To do so, it is quite simple in Filmora. All you need to do is to go ahead and add your video clip on the timeline. Once you're done, now right click on it and then choose this option called AI Translate. So we are going to use an AI tool to translate our language from English to a different language. Once you're here, now head over to this section called Translation Type. Go ahead and choose what you want to translate. So if you click on it, you can see you can either translate voice and captions, or you can only translate captions. For my case, I want to translate both voice and captions. So if you are interested in translating the voice, choose the first option, which is translate voice and caption. Now from this, go ahead and choose the source language is the current language of your video. For my case, it is in English, so I'll leave it as that. And then select the target language. The target language is the language you want to translate your video to. From this, I'll go ahead and select Spanish. So I want to translate this video clip into Spanish. And here we go. Then before you just go ahead and click on translate, make sure you turn on this detect speakers. And also if you have people or characters in your video and you like the lips to sync with the new language, go ahead and turn on this lip sync option. You also want to make sure that this is turned on. So make sure that you have checked auto match. Great. So once they are all turned on, now it's time to translate. And for this, you'll need credits for you to be able to do this. So go ahead and click on translate and this will begin translation process. For my case, I'm on a free account and therefore I'll not be able to do this. However, if you have a paid account, 21 credits will be used for the translation. So this will just take some few seconds and you should be able to get your translation perfectly done with lip sync. So that's how you can translate your videos from one language to another in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.